In today's video, I'll show you how to install Mod Manager in Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. Check my video description for this Strike Mod Manager download link. And you need to download this .NET 7.0 Desktop Runtime. This is required for Strike to run properly. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this suit. Download the mod you like. Once you download that, right click on the O strike and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Don't forget to install this Windows Desktop Runtime. I have already done this. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Right click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder Mod Manager and press Enter. Open Mod Manager and drag and drop all these files inside. Open ostrike.exe. Select Add Game. In profile name, you can type whatever name you like. Select the Browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the Spider-Man Remastered and select Create option. Select the profile and select Create Profiles. To install mod, select this plus icon and navigate to Downloads and select the RAR file. This is the mod we downloaded. Select Open. Mod has successfully added. Select the Install Mods option. If you want to disable this mod, just uncheck and select Install Mods option and this will disable. If you want to add new mods, select the plus icon and select the zip or RAR file that you downloaded and select Open and select Install Mods option. This way you can install whatever mod you like. Now I show you guys the suit in game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and go to suits and select the suit. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you can able to see a new suit we added. And the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.